Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making mixed fruits pachdi. It is made with fruits, tomato and sugar and typically served at South Indian weddings. So let's start. Chop 2 big tomatoes and take it in a mixie jar. Grind the tomatoes to a smooth paste. Now pass this tomato paste through a strainer so that we can discard the seeds and skin part. After straining, you will get clear tomato juice. Cook this tomato juice on medium flame for 5 minutes. When raw smell of tomato goes away, add half cup of sugar to it. Mix well. The sugar melts and the tomato mixture becomes watery in consistency. Now cook this for 7 to 8 minutes. Slowly the mixture gets thicker and becomes sticky. When it reaches a syrup-like consistency, switch off the flame. Now we will add fruits to the syrup. I am adding 1/4 cup mango, 1/4 cup apple, some black grapes, some green grapes, 1 banana chopped, and some pieces of pear. Add all the fruits and mix it well. You can add any fruits of your choice. The syrup should be hot when you add the fruits. Now we will add some nuts. Here I am adding 5 to 6 chopped dates, some kishmish and 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Mix fruits and nuts well with the syrup. Allow the pachadi to sit for 1 hour so that the syrup incorporates well with the fruits. The delicious mixed fruits sweet pachadi is ready to serve. You can also serve this with vanilla ice cream as a dessert. It stays good for 3 to 5 days in fridge. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.